Why does your scanner show the P0535 engine code? What does it mean? P0535 is a diagnostic trouble code for A or C evaporator temperature sensor circuit. The P0535 engine code indicates that PCM has detected an abnormal voltage or a lack of expected temperature change from the sensor that monitors the air conditioning evaporator. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty evaporator temperature sensor, damaged or corroded wiring, faulty or corroded connectors, frozen evaporator core, malfunctioning climate control or engine module. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Dodge, Ford, Volkswagen, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.